Are you thinking about buying one of those cute Lububu plushies from Kawaii? The site might look adorable at first glance, but before you grab your card, let's talk about what's really going on behind the scenes. Kawaii claims to offer the perfect gift to help parents and grandparents connect with kids. Those trendy little plushies that double as room decor and conversation starters. But the more you look into it, the more it starts to feel off. Let's start with the website itself. Kawaii was only registered recently on May 29, 2025. While being new isn't automatically bad, it means there's not much of a track record. That alone doesn't make it a scam, but when paired with other issues, it raises eyebrows. There's also no About Us page on the site. No names, no background info, nothing that tells you who runs it. For a store asking you to trust them with your money, that's not very reassuring. Now, about the reviews. They look like screenshots of social media comments, which might seem real at first, but try clicking through. You'll notice there's no actual social media presence for Kawaii. No working Instagram, no Facebook, nothing. And while the homepage boldly claims a 4.6 star rating based on over 19,000 reviews, that number starts to look suspicious when you search for feedback on third-party platforms like Trustpilot or Reddit. There's absolutely nothing. No real customer discussion, no posts, no proof that thousands of people have even heard of this site. It gets worse. The address they list on the site doesn't connect to any known store or business. It appears to be thrown in just to look legitimate. And then there are the pressure tactics. Those fake countdown timers and "only 3 left" warnings that are designed to rush you into a quick purchase before you think it through. And here's the biggest red flag. The "Buy Now" button doesn't even work. That's right. You can't actually complete a purchase. So what's the point of the site? In some cases, scammers set up fake stores like this just to harvest your personal information or payment details. And those customer photos you see? A quick reverse image search shows they were pulled from unrelated websites, which strongly suggests they're not real customers at all. In the end, Kawaii might seem like a sweet little online shop, but too many things don't add up. From fake reviews to stolen images, missing company info, and a broken checkout page. It's all very suspicious. If you really want to buy something cute for your child or grandchild, it's safer to stick with trusted retailers that have real reviews and working customer service.